Hey everybody! My first album as a band leader is set to release at the end of this month. It will come out on Friday, September 27th, and as part of the promotional effort done together with Exilio Music, I would like to tell you a little bit about myself and a little bit about the project. I have always been a musician and I have mostly been an academic musician. But at the same time, I am a musician or I am a human that enjoys listening to songs. What I did for this project was I went through my Spotify playlist literally, and when looking for songs that I had listened to a lot in the past 3 years, so music that I really liked a lot, and I started to ask myself, how would my version of this music sound like? So the result of this album is a number of songs, some of them songs in English, songs in Spanish, old, new, played with a jazz rhythm section and with a number of different horn combinations, all the way to two big band songs that are kind of framing the rest of the songs in the album. All the recording happened in just one day in the legendary Crystal Clear Studios in Dallas. It is coming out on September 27th, Friday, September 27th. We'll be releasing one song at a time for the rest of the year. I will be sharing that with you here on social media, and you will be able to find it in all the music platforms. And that's it. I hope you like it. If you do, help me share when I share stuff in here, or just say hi. This is the first time that I put something of mine out there, so it's very exciting. Thank you.